Lighten dream. Enjoy intelligent application. Zhongshan VACE Lighting Technology Company Limited. A professional company providing LED commercial lighting all-round solution. Since being established, VACE Lighting have stuck to the product R&D philosophy of being linear, minimal, modular, intelligent, rooted in commercial lighting, integrating industrial chain, and deep dug customers' requirement. We attach importance to customer experience, focus on customer requirement, constantly explore the development of lighting industry, strengthen product design and R&D. Start from terminal use. We pursue perfection in product industrial design, luminosity distribution, lifespan, safety and application installation, etc. All design products comply with the principle of being aesthetic, distinguished, easy to use, highlight the value of light, and constantly meet the requirement of energy saving, environment friendly and professional for lighting industry. VACE Lighting owns independent R&D experiment center, which provides powerful guarantee to material test, reliability of fixture, lifespan, safety, high-quality luminosity distribution, perfectly combines product quality with productivity, so as to meet the requirements of different standards in different regions. Luminaire photometric test. EMC test. Capacitance ripple test. Spectrum test. Temperature rise test. High and low temperature, constant temperature and humidity test. Glowing filament test, needle flame test, ball pressure test. Withstand voltage and insulation resistance test. Salt mist test. Lightning surge test. Internal stress test. With professional technical level and outstanding social responsibility, our company has successfully passed ISO 9001 Quality Management System, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System, and obtained a number of domestic and foreign certifications, such as CCC, CE, SAA, TUV, ETL, ROS, etc. Both the production and product quality meet international standard, and our company is awarded the title of Quality, Service, Integrity Model Enterprise in LED industry, Chinese Green Environmental Protection Product Award. Our company has more than 500 first-year employees and owns powerful R&D, production, quality, engineering, and marketing teams, which can quickly respond to the diversified customers' requirements and ensure to provide high-grade, precise, and advanced product and service to customer. VACE Lighting adopts Lean Production Management Model, JIT, 20 production assembly lines, with monthly productivity of more than 3 million units. Introduces advanced automatic mechanical production equipment. We owns 4 ROS workshops, 2 dust-free STM workshops. VACE Lighting Technology Company Limited, with the attitude of pursuing perfection, strictly guarantees quality and controls product through consistent process standard and rigorous process. With the integrated industrial chain from LED welding, part forming, surface treatment to assembly, most key components and treatment of VACE Lighting are completed inside. Every product must pass more than 20 production processes and inspection procedures, and the inspections strictly meet the international standard, so as to ensure product precision and quality. challenge the future with great ambition, with the spirit of innovation, agility, integrity, win-win. VACE Lighting grasps the pulse of the time, cooperates with international famous brand, and keeps marching towards the goal of being industrial benchmark of commercial lighting.